Hello, this is Media Dog again, and this is a very short tutorial to illustrate the process of a one-click automated scrape and scan of the CLT. So I've intentionally chosen an actor name variant that has very, very few profiles in the CLT. I'm going to click scan after lookup so that it's totally automated, start to finish. Let's do it. Now, while CLTBoss is actually scraping the CLT pages, do not mess with the screen because I have to perform some program gymnastics in order to force the web browser to update itself page by page so that I can scrape each page. Unfortunately, the way things happen internally with web browsers these days is that you don't always know when it has changed, and sometimes it won't change unless the user tells it to. So I have to pretend to be the user and then click on things and so forth. Now, what's happening now is I've taken the UPCs and I've generated a list of candidate profile IDs that could possibly be useful. And then I actually scan them and look for credits. And those that have found to have credits are then included in the output XML and also included in the output list of profile IDs. So as you saw, that was a completely automated process, start to finish. We have the resulting profiles, profile IDs, and some summary information in the grid. We have the resulting CLTBoss, what I call skinny XML, in the output display box. What can I show you? I can add any of these profiles to my collection by simply selecting them and click on Add Selected Profiles to Collection, and they will be automatically added to my collection. That is going on behind the scenes here. As you can see, the plugin has caused the DVD Profiler to implement functions that you would normally see by doing them manually yourself. And if it ever comes back, I can show you that these profiles have actually been added to my collection. And you can choose which collection you want to add them to. I can choose to display, using the context menu, the online XML for that particular profile. Or if I copy and paste the profile ID from this side of the screen in here, I can also display it that way. And what happens is that I take this profile ID, use the DVD Profiler plugin API, and actually access the current online XML as of that moment in time and display it. You can copy, paste it, do whatever you want. Anything else interesting here? Yes, there is a find. So if I type in Hans, and then click next. So that's handy. There's a context menu on this side. Copy, paste, save, load, clear, things like that. Now, this is the skinny XML. Let's say I want the full XML. Oops, I really wish I had the full XML. Okay, go ahead, click full XML, rescan. Now, it doesn't matter so much for such a small collection as this, but if there were a larger number of UPCs, the process of culling them and finding the from the list of candidate profile IDs, which are the right ones, takes a little bit of time. Since I know nothing's changed since I did it before in a couple minutes that's been, I'm not going to redo that work. So I'm going to say no, don't redo that. Now I just go do nothing but scan those candidate profile IDs that have credits associated with them. And then this time, rather than creating the skinny XML, I create the full Invelos full XML in the output window. And again, you can do whatever you like with that, save it, so forth. Okay, let's look at the actor again just before we leave. Hello, Hans, just to say hello. Oops, say goodbye. Why it's taking so long? Okay, there you go. All right, bye-bye.